Carbonara, the quintessential Roman pasta recipe. Today we're going to do what I call the illegal carbonara. Instead of using just eggs and guanciale and Parmesan Reggiano or pecorino, we're going to use panna da cucina, which is basically a thicker version of heavy whipping cream. You can find it in many Italian delis, otherwise, maybe even online. Otherwise, you can take the traditional heavy whipping cream, reduce it over heat, just in a saute pan, and then use that one. To start, we basically have 3 egg yolks, and we're gonna add the panna da cucina. In this case, about half of this container. And we're gonna start whipping to mix it all up, to incorporate it. Voila, nice and incorporated. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna basically put some salt and pepper, a decent amount of cracked pepper. I set it on the fine setting because we don't want chunks of pepper. And then a little bit of salt. Just a pinch, because we're gonna have the bacon, which of course is salty, and then we're gonna salt the water. So now we're gonna mix this up again, incorporate it, and I have Parmigiano Reggiano, not the sawdust that they sell in tubs, and of course a good quality Parmigiano Reggiano, especially for this kind of recipe. And you can see about how much I'm putting in. It's about a cup. And again, we incorporate. Voila. As you can see, this one is, because the panna da cucina is already fairly thick, we really don't need to cook it down. It's kind of ready to go. The egg yolks will basically heat up once we add the pasta to it. And then let's move on to actually boiling some water, cooking some pasta, and then we'll put it all together. And now that we cook the pasta al dente, we mix it all up. The hot water from the pasta will actually warm up the egg yolks and the mixture. And now we mix it up first with our cream and egg yolks and Parmesan mixture. And then at the end, we add all our good bacon, which we fried earlier. Voila. Nice. And this is basically a nice shortcut for carbonara.